Growing your YouTube channel, top strategies unveiled. Welcome to our channel where your growth is our top priority. Today, we are diving into 5 essential tips for YouTube success. First off, understanding your audience is key. Dive deep into analytics, see what works, and tailor your content accordingly. Consistency is your best friend. Set a schedule for your uploads and stick to it, keeping your audience eagerly anticipating more. Engage, engage, engage. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, and genuinely interact with your viewers to build a loyal community. SEO isn't just for websites. Use relevant keywords in your titles, descriptions, and tags to boost your video's visibility. Lastly, collaborate with other YouTubers. It's a fantastic way to reach new audiences and add fresh content to your channel. By following these tips, you're well on your way to growing your YouTube channel. Stay persistent and watch your community thrive.